Assalamu alaikum. Hope everyone is doing good. I am also fine here. Today for Iftar, let's prepare a chicken samosa. I am preparing the restaurant style of chicken samosa. So let's get started. Taking 250 grams of boneless chicken. First, let's cook the chicken. So for this, add enough salt, add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and add enough water. Mix well and let us keep it to cook. Now switch on the flame and cook the chicken. Once the chicken is cooked, shred the chicken by hands or by using food processor. Heat the pan, add 1.5 tablespoon of oil. When it's get hot, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute for a while. Now add 1 sliced large onions and saute till it get transparent. As I am preparing restaurant style samosa, I slice the onions. You can also chop the onions. When it becomes transparent, add a handful of curry leaves and saute for a while. Now add sliced carrots, green chillies and saute for a while. If you want to add more vegetables, you can use the vegetables of your choice. Add enough salt into it and saute. Once the carrot slightly changes its color, add sliced tomatoes. I am using 1 medium-sized tomato. Now close the lid and cook the tomatoes for a minute or 2. When the tomatoes are cooked, add 1 teaspoon of chilli powder. If it is not spicy, add 1.5 teaspoon of chilli powder and saute till the raw smell goes. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and saute for a while and add the shredded chicken. Now give it a good mix. As we are adding the cooked chicken, no need to add water into it. Now add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder and saute for 2 minutes and close the lid and keep it in a low flame. Cook till the oil gets evaporated. Now it's done. Let us keep to cool. Now make a paste by adding 1 tablespoon of flour and 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Mix it well. The batter should be not too thick or not too watery. Here I am using samosa sheets. Now make a cone shape and add the filling inside and fold from other side. Now apply the flour paste and stick from all sides. it's ready. Continue the same process with the other sheets. Filling is ready. Let's fry the samosas. Heat the oil in a kadai and put the samosas into it. Keep it in a high flame. As the masala is cooked inside, no need to cook the samosas more than a minute. When it becomes golden brown, take it out from the oil. Now fry the leftover samosa with the same method. Wow, our samosas are ready to serve for Iftar. Hope you will try this recipe and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this video, please do share with your contacts and hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.